Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and finish up this specific project. We basically got what we wanted out of this one, which is we got this HTML theme moved over. And obviously, it's really basic. You know, we don't have pictures down here where we have these three headings, and we don't have that content entering dynamically. In the next one that we're going to do, we're going to show you how to get all this content dynamically onto the front page. So don't worry about that with this specific theme. Like I said, we just wanted to get the HTML moved over to WordPress and get you kind of engaged in some of the PHP and backend. There is one other thing here, though. If we start clicking through our links to see what they do, we'll see that when we go to the home page, this obviously isn't going to our home page. So this is a really easy fix for us. So let's go ahead and go into our menus here, or our backend, and we're going to go to the dashboard section. So if we click on dashboard, and we can go right to where it says customize your site. So we're going to click on that. And this is going to let us really easily change this static front page to be our home page. So we're going to go to a static page, and we're going to select the page that we have our stuff displaying on, which is, of course, our home page. All right, and so you can do something with the post page, but since we're not going to have any post displaying on here, we're not going to worry about that. So let's hit save and publish. Okay, and then let's go back into the site and check and make sure everything's working how we want it to. Okay, so when we refresh it, it goes straight to home. Now let's click our home link. That goes straight to home. Google should actually go out to Google because that's what we set it up to earlier. Right? And then we have our sample page. Okay, so basically everything we have in this site is working. The content is displaying dynamically, and we have the whole theme moved over. This is just our HTML theme working on WordPress.
Yeah, that's basically it. You know, there are some things with a basic theme that you would want to do as well. And if you know, going on to the next step, we're going to go a lot more in depth about this. But this is really just to get you up off the ground. You know, for example, we recognize this should link back to the home page. It should go back to the home URL. That's a great project you can take on now. Go into your header.php, find where that logo is, and link it dynamically to the home page. Don't use the direct link of fpw.us/such and such. Try to find the WordPress version that takes you back to the home page.
Right.
And look for that in Google and try to link it that way. It's a great practice, and that's what you're going to be doing all the time, especially starting out developing WordPress themes. You're going to be searching for code and figuring out through the codex what the best way to do it is. Another great homework project is going to be trying to make dynamic footer widgets here. So you can look through the WordPress codex a little bit and try to add a widget or register a widget and place that in your footer. We're going to go into that stuff in the next project, but for now, if you want to get your hands dirty a little bit and learn a little bit better, it's a great thing to go ahead and try to do on your own. And it'll be great to find some success that way, because you're going to have to do trial and error as a part of learning how to do WordPress templates like this.
All right, guys, thank you for taking a look at this section and going through it. And like we said, we'll be going on to some more advanced stuff in the next section.
Yep. See you soon.